I bet you didn't know about the chilling mystery of Kenneka Jenkins. Today, I'm diving into a case that's as chilling as it is heartbreaking. The unsolved mystery of Kenneka Jenkins. On September 8, 2017, 19-year-old Kenneka Jenkins went out with friends to a hotel party in Rosemont, Illinois. What should have been a night of fun turned into a nightmare. Around 4 a.m., Kenneka's friends realized she was missing. They searched the hotel but couldn't find her. Panicked, they contacted her mother, Teresa Martin, who rushed to the hotel and begged the staff to check the security footage. Initially, the hotel staff refused, citing privacy concerns. As the hours ticked by, Teresa's desperation grew. It wasn't until 24 hours later that the hotel finally reviewed the security footage. What they found was deeply disturbing. Kenneka was seen stumbling alone through the halls, clearly disoriented. She wandered into the hotel's kitchen area, and then, terrifyingly, into a walk-in freezer. This would be the last time anyone saw Kenneka alive. On September 10th, her body was discovered inside that freezer. The initial autopsy ruled her death an accident, citing hypothermia as the primary cause. But the case was far from closed. Questions arose. How did she get into the freezer? Why was she alone? And most disturbingly, why did it take so long for the hotel to act? Kenneka's family and the public demanded answers. The footage showed her staggering, barely able to keep her balance. It sparked theories of foul play, possible drugging, and a cover-up. Was someone responsible for her death? The hotel's response and the police investigation were criticized for inconsistencies and a lack of urgency. People wondered if more could have been done to save her. To this day, the exact circumstances surrounding Kenneka's death remain a mystery. Her family continues to seek justice, hoping for new evidence to emerge and bring clarity to this tragic event. Kenneka Jenkins' story is a stark reminder of the importance of being vigilant and looking out for one another. It's a case that leaves us with more questions than answers, and a chilling sense of unease. Thank you for watching. If you found this video engaging, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more true crime stories. Stay safe, everyone. The community has held numerous vigils and memorials in her honor, keeping her memory alive and continuing to push for answers. Social media has played a significant role in keeping the case in the public eye, with hashtags and posts demanding justice for Kenneka. Investigative journalists have also delved into the case, uncovering inconsistencies and raising further questions about the investigation. Kenneka's story has resonated with many, highlighting issues of safety, accountability, and the need for thorough investigations in similar cases. The community's response has been one of solidarity and determination, showing that they will not rest until justice is served. Kenneka's family has been vocal in their quest for answers, giving emotional interviews and speaking out about their ongoing fight for justice. By sharing Kenneka's story, we can help keep the pressure on authorities to find the truth and ensure that such a tragedy never happens again. It's a reminder of the power of community and the importance of standing together in the face of injustice. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to seek justice for Kenneka Jenkins and all those who have been wronged. If you found this video engaging, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more true crime stories. Stay safe, everyone.